Hello guys, I'm Maloko Shayo Enoch. Welcome to my ICT tutorial on database reports. In this tutorial, I'll be working on the IGCSE ICT Paper 2, February-March 2016. Let's take a look at the question. You are now going to prepare some reports for the company. Make sure all currency values are displayed with no decimal places. Use a suitable database package. Import the file m16employee.csv. Use this field name and data type. So field names, employee ID, family name, first name down to contractor. And the data type, we have text and we have numeric currency, text and boolean or logical. Okay guys, then set the employee ID field as the primary key. Guys, to complete this task, I'll be using Microsoft Office Access 2007. So let me open the package now. Access. Okay, okay guys, before now I did set up my work area, and this I have all the resource file here in the database. So I created this folder on the desktop, so desktop serve as my directory. So I'm going to get the file there. Okay, so let me go back to my access now. So just click blank database, then create. Now before you create, let's just name our database. Let's name the database 2016 database reports. Reports. I think that was okay. So then create. Okay, so guys, because the file we need is external kind of file, so you can just close this and go to external data, then test file, and then this is import the source data into a new table in the current database. So let's get to navigate to the right directory and get the file out there. So it's on the desktop. So then let me navigate to the work area, that is database, and now this is the employee m16 employee.csv. So click and then click open. Okay, now guys, just go ahead and click OK. Okay guys, now so you see so this is a CSV file. Okay, so it's delimited. Okay, so you see you are familiar with CSV comma separated variable. So okay, just click next. Then here you see that the employee ID, family names are the field names. So you have to indicate first row contain the field names. So select, check this box and click next. Okay, similarly we have to identify the field. Like employee ID now is a text field or something. So in order to because I would not like to complete it here and from employee to family ID to first, just click advanced and complete everything there. Okay guys, let's just go back to the question and see the data type for each field. Okay, so employee ID, family names, first name, job description, text, data type. So salary is numeric or currency, and okay, so only salary and contractor, okay, has different data type compared to others. So contractor be boolean or logical, then this will be currency. Okay, so let me just format my field names accordingly. So all these are okay. So this salary should be currency. So just go to currency and take that, and then contractor should be boolean. So that's yes or no. Okay, so just click OK to effect that changes, and then next. Okay, now this asks us to choose the our own primary key, and if we go back to the question, we are asked to set the employee ID field as the primary key. So set the employee ID as the primary key. So just click choose my primary key employee ID. So just click next. Okay, everything is cool, so just finished. That was okay. close. And here we go. So we have M16 employee. Okay, so let's go back to the question and see the next task. Okay, that's question 18 now. Import the file m16 office.csv as a new table with all fields set as text data. Okay, so the data type for all field here will be text. Okay, in your database, set the office id as the primary key. Okay guys, let's just go ahead and do the same. And the first one, am I to take evidence? Okay, so yeah, so take screenshot evidence showing the field names and the data type used in the two tables, and place this screenshot in your evidence document. Okay guys, let's just go ahead and import the office .csv. So back to the access and external data, click test file. Okay, so let's just navigate to the right directory, browse, and this is office. Take it and then click open, then click OK. Okay, so don't forget this is yeah, delimited. It's okay, just click next. And the first row contain field names, so don't forget to indicate that. Check this box and next. Okay, so now let's just effect the changes here. I want to really based on the examiner's directive, all the data type should be test throughout. So this address 3 should be test. So let's change to test. Okay, and finally also telephone also should be test. So to effect the changes, you have to click OK and then next. So let's choose primary key here too. Let me go back to the question. So we have to set office id. Okay, as the so office id will be the primary key there, office id, and that's cool. So just click next. That's all finished, and you can close. Okay guys, so we have the two table here now. So let's just click employee table first and click design view. Let's inspect that. Okay, so guys, one more thing, don't forget that this currency from the based on the examiner instruction, if you go back to the first the first question, question 17, say that the instruction said that we should make sure that all currency values are displayed with no decimal place. So let's effect that, so with no decimal place. Okay, so that will be under format. Okay, so let's go back to the access. So this, okay, so this currency, so you can click here. So let's look at the format of the currency, because we should have no decimal place. So just click here. So this is currency. Okay, so decimal place. So take it to 0, show it to be 0, not auto 0. Okay, that's a good one. So at this point, I think I can just take screenshot of this. Everything is okay here. So let's just go ahead and okay. Also, the contractor yes or no. Okay, let's check the format through there, contractor. So that should be yes or no. Okay, so the format should be that. Okay, I think that's all, because the remaining for the remaining field, the data type is test. Test is that's just okay. I think I can just take screenshot of this first. Okay, so just print screen and take screenshot as evidence. So just to this side, I think I'm cool here. So just click copy and go to my evidence page. Data field structure screenshot here. So of the two tables, so I have for the employee first. So Control V, I have that. Let me just crop it and make it a little to be smaller. Can I make it smaller? I think it's cool like this. Okay, now let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay, I think everything is okay like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the same for the office table. Okay, now before I do that, let me just make sure that I save these changes. So just click save here. Okay, save, and that's all. You can close this and you can just close and close. So let's take for office 2 design view. Don't forget that office is test throughout, so I don't need to effect any changes here, because the format is just okay. So let me just take screenshot of this. So down to this place. So copy. So let me go to my evidence page and paste there, Control V, and let me just resize that. Okay, guy. What? What? Okay, so just take this guy up there and school, right? Okay, I have the evidence page for the two. Okay, so for both for office and for the employee table for the. Okay, so guys, that's cool. I no changes. I just click save and you can close it, guys. Okay, let's just go back to the question and see the next task to complete. Okay, so I'm through with that. Take screenshot. I'm through. Okay, question 19. Create a one-to-one. Okay, create a one-to-many relationship as a link between the office ID field in the office table and the office ID field in the employee table. Take screenshot showing the relationship between two tables, and place a copy of this screenshot in your evidence document. Guys, before I do this, let me quickly explain something about relationship we have in database. Okay, relationship. Okay, so now there are different type of relationship. You can have one-to-one relationship, one-to-one relationship. You can have one-to-many relationship. You can have one-to-many relationship. We can also have a many-to-one relationship. You can have many-to-one relationship, many-to-one, and we can have a many-to-many relationship. Finally, many-to-many relationship, many-to-many relationship. Guys, if you are a good math student, guys, even though this ICT, I remember that this topic is mapping and function. Okay, so we know that when for example one-to-one, I want to many is a function, but not a mapping, but everything is a mapping here. So mapping is just a kind of relationship between two a set of rules that show relationship between two different sets. Okay, so just like we have the employee table and the office table. So now, but this asks us to take to show one-to-many relationship, guys. Okay, so they are in their unique identifier in your table. So we have the primary key, just as. So what's the primary key? The primary key is a unique field, okay, in a given table that is unique, and there is no other a unique reference is a unique field, okay. And also we also have a foreign key. So a foreign key is also a unique it's a unique field, but it's just ordinary field in another table. So and that's that. Okay, so but when you have a primary, let me just let me take this, let me just appreciate more on primary and foreign key. Let's go back to our table. Okay, let's just effect that. So to show one to many relationship, so you have to let me just go back to the let me just go back to this let's just bring and this let's just take these two. Okay, to do that just go to database to relationship. So I think it will be easier to explain here. So you go to database to menu, then click relationship. Okay, and just double click employee, and also double click office. Then you can close this. Okay, so let me explain better here now. So now you can see we have the employee table here and the office field table here. And the reference key here is office ID. And you see that we don't have any other, there's no office ID here again. Just this is a unique field. Okay. So this is known as a primary key. Okay, this is a primary key. Okay, now we also have employee ID here, and it's the so we have a employee ID here, like a primary key for the employee table, and we have office ID as the primary key for office table. But now if you look at here now, even though the office ID here is a primary key, but we have office ID here also. So in this place now, okay, so this is now, this is known as the foreign key, because it's a primary key here. So when you have it in another table, then it is known as a foreign key. So to show one to many relationship, you just take this primary key, and then you map it. So we use the word map. So you map it to the foreign key. So when you map a primary key in one field to foreign key in another field, then the result is what we call a one-to-many relationship. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drag this primary key, which is office ID, to this office ID here, which is a foreign key here, and then that's how to map. So you see, just point is pointing to this office, I'm pointing to it. So just that's that. So I map that. So you can see here that relationship, if I click just click enforcement, enforce referential integrity. So you can also see the relationship type one to many, one to many. Okay guys, let me just quickly explain more. Okay, so if you want to have like many to many, okay, then in that case you are going to map foreign to foreign. Okay, and if you want to have many to one, then that will be foreign to primary, and so on and so forth. But let's just continue with this because of our time. So just click create, and you can see 1 to infinity. So if this infinity means represent many. Okay, so many. So I can save this too, and I can close it. I don't need it again. And this is relationship. Okay, let's just go ahead and look at a case I may need the screenshots. Okay, take screenshot evidence showing the relationship between the two tables, and place a copy of the screenshot in your evidence document. Then we have to create a data entry form. Okay, so let me just do this before and that. So let me go back to my access print screen, and just take this with the relationship and copy. So let me go to my evidence page, and post there relationship. Let me just bring this let me bring this down, and then I'm going to post now. So just paste that here, Control V, quite big, right? So let me just make it a little bit smaller, resize it. So that's a good one. So let's go to the next question. Create a data entry form for all field in the employees. Okay, so we have to create a data entry field for all the employee table. So let's just go with that first for all the employee table. So let me go back to this. For the employee, I can close this one now. Okay, so just go to create. Okay, and okay, just a quick one. I just need to quickly do something now. Just a minute. Let me just quickly do something. Just a minute, guys. Just... So guys, what we asked to do there is we have to create a data entry form for all field in the employee table. So we have to create like convert like create a form of employee table. So let's just go back to access and see this is employee table. So I double click. So we have to convert this like converting this to a form. So to is going, instead of for it to be this data sheet, so we're going to have like a form version of this. Okay, so to do this, just click create, and you see form here, and just click more forms, then take this form wizard. So check this now. Okay, so now, and if you go back to the question, we have to create entry form for all fields, for all field in the employee. So for all field means that I'm going to use all these field. Okay, so that's the implication. So I mean that just take this, because if you check this, if you click this, it will just be taking each field one after the other. But this implies that take all the fields. So just do that, and then click next. Okay, so you have different form view. You have tabular, you have data sheet, you have justify. So you can take any one of these, but I will go with columnar. I'm cool with this, and just click next. Okay, this also cool, just the kind of style you like. I think it's cool for me. I just click next. And because we need to work on this form later, so just click modify, and you also do the same and click modify. Then okay, just click finish. Okay, and this is the result, guys. Okay, so let's go back to the question. Add the following record to the employee table using your form. So want to add a new record, so like this new row, okay, containing the all the field there to the form we have there. So let's go back to access. So now to do that, just go ahead and click view here. Then take form view. Okay, good. So form view. So now to add a new complete new row containing all this field to the form, or better still a template of this form, and you see you want yellow stuff here. So you click see that new blank record. So I just click new blank record. So we have this now. So I just need to minimize this in order to, okay, so let's just go ahead and so that I can have full view of the data field I need to enter there. So for employee I have AHM. Okay, so let me just go ahead. That is some proper case. AHM. Am I correct, guys? AHM 0221. And then the family name is Kapoor. 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 Okay, and the first name is Sashi. Sashi. And then job description is structural engineer. Structural engineer. And the salary is 44162 4416280. Okay, guys, make sure that you enter the correct data there, and you have to be precise, guys, please. So then office id is AHM. I also follow the cases, please, upper and lower case, and that's no. Okay, so that's cool. In order to save this, you can just click see that this previous record or next record. So just click maybe previous record or just back to next record, so it's automatically saved. Or better still, you can also click save here. Okay, guys, let's just take a look at the result of what we have there. Let me just maximize this also, and let's see the effects. So just go back to view, and just go to okay, I think it's just cool like that. Let's just go ahead with the question. We're going to confirm that maybe next question, not to waste our time. Okay, so check your data entry for errors, okay, and take screenshot evidence of the completed form for this record. Place a copy of this screenshot in your evidence document. So thank God. So I need to take screenshot of that. Thank God I'm not trying to inspect other things. So just go ahead and do that. So just take screenshot and okay, so copy, and then let me go to my evidence page, and so of database form, so control V. So let me just make this a little bit smaller, guys. Okay, let's just go ahead with the next question. Okay, guys, this is a big deal now. So let me just highlight and put in or better still, let me take it one after the other, guys. Just do that. Okay, so let me put that in yellow. Okay, guys, a bonus is paid to employees but not contractors. It is an extra month paid. Okay, so produce a report. Which, so here now we are to the tax here, we have to produce a report, guys. This is 11 marks. So produce how to produce a report. Okay, so which contains a new field called bonus. Okay, so we are going to generate or automate this new field, and it is a run time. Okay, so it's the annual salary of employee divided by 12. This is calculated at run time, so it's calculated run, mean that it's not there before. So we're going to generate it from the remaining information. Okay, of field, better still display the content of this field as currency, okay, of this bonus. Okay, show only the record where the office. Okay, so guys, we have criteria now, so we have to show only record from this table. Okay, so where the office is Ahmedabad. Okay, Ahmedabad, and contractor is no. So this criteria, so we are just going to display just this record. Like when you apply a structural query language in the database and management system, just to get Ahmedabad and where contractor is no. Okay, so where office is Ahmedabad and contractor is no. So like select or query kind of. So that's a restriction there. Also show only the field office name in full, telephone, and that, and then fit on a single page, okay, wide, as a page orientation of landscape, and sort the data into aside the order of family names, and calculate total cost of bonuses paid. Display this value as currency, as a label bonus paid. Okay, include label heading and made a bad office bonus report, and as your name, and save, and that. Okay guys, we need not to follow the bullet as we have here. So and to do this, it will be quite difficult for me to try to create this kind of report like this. So the best thing for me to do, if I want to be a little bit, if I want to make it quite easier for myself, I'd rather create a query first. So from that query now, then create a query such that I have a Midabat and no. Then from this query now, because this is a constraint already, so I'll create a query to effect this constraint. So from that constraint, I will now go ahead and create the report. Okay guys, so let's just go ahead now. So I'm going to create a query first before I go ahead and create a report from that query. Okay guys, to do that, I can just close this. I don't need this again. I can close this too. So just go to create, then create this query wizard, guys. Query wizard. So go ahead and click. Okay. Before that, make sure that you are an employee table, but it doesn't mean anyway. So let's just go ahead from form. Okay. Okay guys, if you look at the table queries now, you have an employee and both office and employee. Okay guys, because I'm going to select all my field here. So let's go ahead and check what's going on. So I need the selected field now. So let's look at the constraint we have. Okay, so now the first one, guys, another thing you need to know, guys, you have to follow this order. Please make sure that you follow the field order. So the first field we have there is office, then followed by telephone, then followed by employee ID, then family. So you have to follow this order, guys. So let me just get the first field, which is the first field is office. So where do I don't have office here. Okay, not office ID, guys, it's strictly office. So let me go to the second table, offices. Okay, so this is office, just take this. Okay, then what's the next after office? I have office, then telephone, then employee ID. Telephone, then employee ID. This is telephone, then employee ID. Okay, there's no employee ID here, guys. So let me go to employee. So this employee ID. Okay, so then next after employee ID, family name, first name, job description. Family name, okay. First name, okay. Job description, okay. So then next, and then I have contractor, salary, and bonus. Okay, contractor, what? Let me check again, guys. I think contractor before salary, right? Contractor, okay. So take contractor, then salary. So guys, don't forget that bonus is calculated as a run time, at a run time. So we're not going to have a bonus here because I'm going to generate bonus from salary, okay. And we see because that is the information, we have to divide salary by 12 to get that. So I can just go ahead, everything is cool here now, so just click next. Okay, so click next. Okay guys, we are asked to, what's title of the query now? If you go back to this now, I think at this time I just need to select this and remove the yellow highlight, guys. How do I do that? Okay guys, just leave it. Escape. Oh. Let me see. Don't let me do. I want to remove the yellow highlight, so that I need to copy something, guys. Okay, I think escape. I think let me just copy it and see if it's not going to affect it. escape. What's going on, guys? Why do I apply this? Okay, can I undo? Remove. It's not removing. Okay. Okay, doesn't mean I think I should be able to copy it with that. Let me just copy. So we asked to include Ahmedabad. Okay, so I just need this. So what's going on? Okay, how am I doing this, guy? Okay, thank you. So can I just go up there? I just want to copy this. I don't want to type, guys. Just to copy. Oh, what's going on with me? Oh, can I delete? Okay, thank you. That will delete. Okay, delete again. Oh, okay, guys, how come I can't just do simple thing? What? Guy, I've never tried that before. So I don't know that the delete will undo the color, guys. Thank you. You learn things every day, guys. Nobody is super cool. You are not super IT tech, guys. Okay, so that's that. I just want to copy Amidabad office bonus because from this we asked that include the heading Amidaba at the top of the page. So and that's I want to just do that. So it's just change this to control V now. Amidaba office bonus, so it's cool. So then modify, then you can just finish. Okay, guys, I supposed to have closed all this too. Just close. I don't need this reference key. What? Okay. Whoa. Whoa. What? Okay, what have I done? God, I just have to go and do that again. That's why. Oh my God, I supposed to have what? I think I don't need that again now. I think I have it. I have it already. Can I just select that? So can I just cancel this? Let me just double click it. Okay, let me just go to view. I think it's from the view, design view. Yeah, perfect, guys. I think I just lost view of that. I mistakenly closed that, so I just have to bring it back. So what I did is just just right click here and design view and operator still does that. Okay, guys, let me just go ahead with that. Now, so I've already created a query, so but it's not still yet because there are some constraints placed on this query, and so let's just I'm through with this. So let me put this in yellow. I'm through with this. Okay, and then I'm also through with this. I also named this already. So let me just put this tags here. So okay, so next. Okay, show only record where. Okay, guys, so now let's just go for this now. Show only the record where the office is made a bad and the contractor is no. So that's what I want to do now. So because I want to show only that record, so that's the constraint. So we have I made a bad and contractor should be no. Okay, so guys, this is office criteria. So the office criteria should be made the bad. Guys, that should be uppercase. Okay, guys, Ahmed, Ahmed. Okay, I have to be careful. Abad. Okay, let me just confirm the spelling. So Ahmed Abad. Ahmed Abad. Okay, so Ahmed Abad, and the office should be Ahmed Abad, and contractor should be no. So criteria, see, criteria for office should be Ahmed Abad, and criteria for contractor should be no. Okay, so that's that. Okay, guys, so if let's just see how that one looks like. So just click run and let's see how it's looks like. Let me click save and then also run. Cool, guys, so you can see that that command is supposed to the constraint filter only Ahmedabad, so we only have Ahmedabad office, not all everything we have there, and just where we have contractor no. So and that's a cool one. And don't forget that the last also the last row we created that time, and Ahmedabad Kapor Sashi where we have a structural engineer, so it's there also. And you can see that all salary is also format, okay, in currency and zero and no decimal places. So everything is cool, guys. So now at this point now, I can go ahead now and create my report from here. So I can go ahead and create the report from here. So meaning that I can just go ahead and so display currency content field. Okay, this is cool. um then fit into, okay, sort family. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see the next tax. And before I do that, let me just quickly do something. Just need to take let me just take water. Okay, guys, so let's just go ahead with the question then. So the next tax here now, so we can go ahead with we create a new field called bonus, and it is annual salary of the employee divided by 12, and this is calculated as run time. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that. So back to access now. So just here, design view. Okay, guys, design view. Okay, let me just click from here. I think I prefer right click and design view. Okay, guys, so now so we have I want to create a new field there. Okay, yeah, okay, and it's go that would be bonus. Okay, so to do that, just type bonus and column. Then you are going to take this field salary field. So to take a field, so that you use is square brackets. Okay, so you can type the name of the field there is salary, and close. So how the what do we calculate bonus from salary by dividing salary by 12? And let's go back to the question to confirm that. We're going to calculate bonus from salary, you can see, and say that it is the annual salary of the employee divided by 12. So that's how to calculate bonus. So just click divided by 12. Okay, and that should give us the stuff. Okay, second okay, so let's just take a look at the go to property, because since we calculate bonus from salary, then it should be formatted as currency too, and there should be no decimal place. So let's just effect that. So what I did is just right click on property, and this is format. So just click here. So that should be currency, currency. Then finally, and also how do we make it guys? Okay, okay, so I want to make it cards. Okay, let me just run this, guys, and let's see the effect of this. Then I will take it to you see one decimal, no decimal places. Okay, guys, let me save and run. Guys, cool. So you can see that we have it already. So bonus is automated now, salary, then we have bonus. Okay, guys, I have two decimal places here because I'm yet to format that. So I'll go back to design view and change this to no decimal place. Okay, so go ahead and click design view again, and decimal place. Now you can see decimal place. So just check this and take to 0. Okay, so let me save and run and see the effect now. Everything should be cool. So everything is perfect now. So at this point we can just go ahead and complete the remaining tasks. Let me just highlight that I'm through with all this. Orientation, sort and setting order. Okay, currency value display. Yeah, this is cool. We are through with this. As a label. Okay, what? Okay, so I'm not yet there. As a label bonus pay to the left of this number, not yet there. As a name setter. Okay, so guys, let me just go ahead with the next task now. So now from here now I would now go ahead and create the reports from the query I have now. From this query now, then I can go ahead and create my report. Okay, so just go to create and report. Okay, so but create from report wizard. Okay, so I'm going to create this report from the query I have here. So make sure that you select this query, and so I'm going to use all this field because I have already, so I'm going to use all the fields. So just check this and click next. Okay, everything is cool, just click next. Priority, yes, is okay. Next. Okay guys, let's just go ahead with the you can sort the record. So let's see the order. So here we are asked to sort the data in ascending order of the family. So ascending order of the family. So let me just go that and select family field here. Family name, ascending is okay. So next. Okay, now from here we can now go ahead and we let's just see the orientation. I think orientation is landscape and fit on a single page. Landscape, then fit on a single page, and then go back here. Then so click landscape and check this box. Adjust the field with weight, so all field and field fit on a single page. So click next. And also this is just a design, is okay. Next. Okay, modify. Oh, what? Okay, I made a mistake here, guys. To this is where I supposed to assign this name here. Okay, so I have to go and rename this now to because this should just be the query. This is where I supposed to assign the name now. So okay, so I know what to do. Let me just control V here. So so this is the name I'm meant to assign here, and it's going to override this. It's not going to take it. So in that case, I'll just add one here, then I will rename this back to query. So this is just to be query, and not meant to have done that. I'm too forward, guys. I'm too playful. Okay guys, let me just add one here, but I need to be careful, guys, uh because I can't just go back. So I'll add one here, then I'll rename back. I'll remove the one and then I will rename this. Okay, so guys, this is not funny at all. Just click finish. Okay, and that's the result. So now, but the only problem I'm going to run into is, okay, I have one here anyway. So because of, I just know maybe I should just go ahead and rename this, then I'll come back and work on this. Or let me just finish working on this, then I will rename this back and at the end of the exercise. So sorry about that, guys. Okay, at this point, guys, this is where there used to be kind of serious trouble, because if you look at what I have in here, do I have bonus yet? Okay, at this point, let me just go to view and let me look at how this look like first. Just go to layout view and let's inspect what we have. I can close this. Okay, so I have the bonus here now. So and if you look at this, this place is empty, and this data is some stuff supposed to be here. So and this is empty because the cell cannot contain it. If I should drag it, you see that everything will be okay. Okay, so but that's not what I want to do now. Okay, so guys, okay, so if I drag this, you see that everything will be okay. So that's what I'm trying to say, but just leave this. This is not what I care about now. And now this office and telephone is blank for some reason. Let's go back to design view and you see the reason. So let me go back to design view. Now because this telephone I can bring this family to this column there and take employee up here and first name there and job name, but that will be quite taxing because I have a lot of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 fields, and compared to 2 fields, it's just to drag 2 fields down here. So so what I'm just going to do is just bring telephone and bring down here this one, and everything should be perfect. So I'm going to try this now. Okay, so and what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to complete this. I will complete it on because so in order to have a very good layout view think, so let me just do that. So just bring this down here. Okay, sorry about that. Just let me just I need to realign. Oh, sorry about that. I need to realign the table to effect that. So guys, what I just did is I just drag telephone field from here down here, and the same also office field from here and down here, so that I have all my field in a single under detail, not under office header. Initially office was under office header and telephone, so I drag down the telephone and office header so that I have everything under detail. Then I have my footer here and that. So let's just take a look at the view. Let's just take a look at that now. Let's just view that. Okay, I can just right click. Can I save? Let me just save. So let me just click view, and let's see the report view. Let's see the report view. Good. So you can see now so everything is okay now. Ahmedabad, this everything is okay, and it's only where we have no, and where office is Ahmedabad, and we have also the bonus here that we automate from the salary, and it's also formatted in currency, and it's no decimal place. And can I scroll down? Okay, my system is I don't know, the database is quite yeah. So you can see, don't forget that's everything is cool, right? Everything is cool. Okay guys, I was trying to check I was trying to look for Kaposashi there, but yeah, probably Kaposashi, don't forget is not Ahmedabad office or something. Okay, I think so. So because we there, these constraints actually make for us to select only where we have contractor no and this. Okay guys, let me just go back to the question and see what's next. Are we to calculate the total cost of bonus paid. So okay, so I'm through with this as a label. Okay, so we now need this now, and okay, so we are getting to the end of the task now. So I want to automate I'm going to calculate the total cost of the bonus paid in the office and place it at the bottom of the report. Then I'm going to name it label bonuses paid. So and that's what, so at the bottom of the, so let's just go ahead and do that now. So to do that guys, I'll just go back to design view. Okay, so now this is bonus here. Okay, and so I'm going to have it because we are going to have it like here. So let's just have it there. So what you're going to do now is do you see this text box? Okay, so text box with this label AB. So click, and we want to put it here. Okay, or here bonus. Okay, can just okay, before I do that, let me just make this, let me just take these guys let me just take these guys just make this smaller so I can have it directly here. I want to have it directly under bonus. Okay, so go, click this now, and just on bonus here is cool here. Okay, good. So you see you have unbound data. Okay, so now the test here now, I'm going to type what is the name. Let me just go back to the question. So you should have name label bonus. Can I just copy this? I can type it guys, don't let me be lazy. So bonus is paid, so I'm good, that's the type, bonus is paid. Okay, so that will be the test. So I can type that. Okay, bonuses paid. Okay, column. So that's just you need not to put column, it's just a just like it like that guys. Okay, so and so how do we automate bonuses paid? Let's go ahead back. So how do we automate it? Say that calculate total costs of the bonus paid and bonuses paid in the office and place it at the bottom of the report. So the total cost means that we have to sum. So the function I'm going to use there is sum. So that's it. So here now, so just click equals to sum, and sum is a function, so you open a bracket. Okay, then which field do I need? The field bonus. So and to take a field, don't forget to use square brackets and type bonus there, just exactly the way it appears up there. and close the with square bracket, and close the function too. Okay guys, this should automate it now. Let me just click save, and let's just see the effect if you are going to have some there. So to check there, just go to view and report view. So let's scroll down and see if you have okay. So it says error here. Let me check what's going on there. Okay, we need to format to, and also maybe the field also not also enough, guys. So let's click error, guys. Okay, so let me check. The field is okay. So let me just quickly check what I did wrong there, guys. um okay, so guys, I'm actually asked to as calculate the total cost of bonuses paid in this office, and place at the bottom of the report. So I'm to place at the bottom of the report. So I actually place it in the wrong place before I place it. Make sure you don't place it in page footer, not here, guys, not here. So I'm meant to place it here. So and how do you do that? You click here on your text box, and you rename this to bonuses. And how do you take this? The function is sum, and I open a bracket, and you take this bonus field, and that's that. So let's take a look at the effect now. I'll just go to report view, and let's see if it's going to automate that, guys. Okay guys, so here we go, bonuses paid this. Okay, so another problem I have here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is 7 dp, and don't forget that from the onset the examiner actually asked me that I should have 0 decimal place. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So let me go back to my access. So to do that, guys, I'm just going to let me just go back to design view to effect that changes. Okay, so what I'm just going to do is that I'm going to reduce the box here, this bounded box, so that in order to accommodate exactly what I want. So let's just see, let's see the effect of this now. Back to report view, and then let me scroll down and see if everything is okay. Okay, so I still have to 2dp, so I will just resize it once more. I'll just make it a little bit smaller. So I think that should eliminate the decimal places, guys. So you have to select it first, guys, and when you select, show this yellow kind of. I think this should be cool. So let's just take a look at the report view now. So now let me scroll down. Good. So that's it. So that's 1 2 3 1 2 3 58 5,833,118. So that's the sum of everything. So everything is cool so far, so good. I think this time we are now coming to the end of everything now. So finally to my name, my center number, and candidate number on the report, and I should save the report and print. Okay, and I should make sure that my center number, candidate number is on the report. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial, because I'm not going to print out this tutorial, but I will still go ahead and add my name, center number, and candidate number on the report now. So I will call it a day, guys. So so let me just do that. So to do that, just go back to design view. So then I'll go ahead and add that to I'll just place it here. Okay, so guys, just instead of text box that we used to automate this sum, you go for label. So let's just have it here, the footer. So my name is Aloko Shayo Enoch, and that should be uppercase, guys. Let me just take this to uppercase S. Okay, and then comma, and my center number is NG 101, and comma, my candidate number is 1010. Okay guys, let's just see that and report view, and I should have it there. Cool. So everything is okay so far, so good. And so that's the end of our tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoy this section on database reports. Okay, guys, do subscribe to my channel and do have a great day ahead. Bye bye, guys. Bye, guys. That's pretty cool. So hope you appreciate that's that, guys. Okay, bye, guys. Do take care of yourself. Bye, bye, guys. Bye bye. Bye. See ya.